Get strong. Look at this guy, bro. Look at this guy. Yeah.
Yes, my people, welcome back to Triple D TV. Snow haul shoveled. Look at that. All the vehicles are gone. Family work together. Check it out. Everything all clean right here on Triple D TV. Check it out. Walkway cut. People look at the height of the snow. Check it out. Check it out, my people. Live and direct on Triple D TV. That snowblower is the best $600 I ever spent. I got another bag.
Okay.
That's the best investment. Best $600 I ever spent. Did a fantastic job, this cadet snow thrower. Oh man, this is a lifesaver right here. Live and direct on Triple D TV. Check it out, my people. Check out the depth of the snow. Check it out. Triple D all done. Get inside now. Get me a break. Get me some tea. Some good old Jamaican breakfast. Ackee sausage and dumpling. Right here on Triple D TV. Check it out, my peeps. My son over there is throwing down salt with the wifey. Family will work together. We stay together. Check it out, my people. And remember, if you have not subscribed to Triple D TV, remember, just go over the channel and hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, so when Triple D upload any video, you're the first get to watch it, man. Yardman style. Triple D style. Right here on Triple D TV. And that's no joke. Check it out, that's no joke. Check it out, my people. Welcome back again to Triple D TV. And another Sunday, and a blessed Sunday again to my family and friends. Triple D just done finish, clear up his driveway, walkway and everything from the January 2022's blizzard. So check it out, my people. Triple D. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to Triple D TV. And that's no joke. And remember, as Triple D say, your attitude will determine your altitude. So you have a blessed and wonderful Sunday, and stay blessed, stay warm. And Triple D say, "Uno walk good." Again, as I said before, your attitude will determine your altitude. So stay blessed. Take care of yourself and uno walk good. Triple D's out.